Okay, my name is Innocent Ado. We are here to submit a petition, a formal petition against, on behalf of our client, Dangote Refineries and Petrochemicals, against Engineer Faruk Ahmed, the CEO of Downstream Midstream Petroleum Regulatory Agency, the Midstream Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Agency, over his excesses that we believe was he's benefiting unduly from the public office he holds against Section 19 of the ICPC Act. And in the circumstance, we have no choice than to formally present a petition against him. We have evidence. The petition has already been submitted and acknowledged by the ICPC. You can see it from here. Now, we attach evidence of monies that are being expended as school fees for his children in excess of $7 million annually. And we wonder, a civil servant in Nigeria, where he gets that kind of money to pay school fees alone and other logistics on behalf of his children. So we have the right as taxpayers, our client has the right as a taxpayer to present this petition against these excesses of a public officer. It's for the commission to investigate, and if they found that a prima facie case has been established against the said engineer Faruk Ahmed, the formal prosecution will be taken up against him, and the law will take its course. The law is not a respecter of any person, no matter how highly placed. Others cannot be toiling in the country to make a living, while some others are busy grandstanding on frivolous lifestyles. So we have a duty to present that petition, and we've done just that.
Okay, sir, a question, please.
Yes.
Before now, we know that Dangote and the authority, they have issues relating to pricing and all of that. This petition, will it not be seen as a witch hunt? Because and also the House of Representatives has also invited all parties for a seat at the table to discuss the issues going on between them.
Unfortunately, it's not a witch hunt. The commission was duly established by an act of parliament to investigate issues like this. And there has never been any formal petition presented before the commission, the ICPC, to enable them to investigate this matter. The House of Assembly, the House of Representatives, or whatever, they have their oversight function. And this does not impinge on the credibility of their oversight functions. So if they want to resolve it this way, we have a constitutional responsibility to present a petition against somebody who is a public servant, who is under the rules of the public service rules, and we believe is acting outside the confines of the public service regulation. So the House of Representatives have their right to carry out oversight function in line with Section 88 of the Constitution, which does not in any way affect the rights of the Independent Corrupt Practices Commission to investigate a petition by a citizen, a taxpayer, over a public officer that acting in gross excess of what he's supposed to do as a public officer. Let the commission investigate and tell us what they want to do.
Sir, your name again, please.
My name is Innocent Ado.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Ado, AD.
AD double.
So, let me be the snapper now. Let me look under the picture. You can tell one of them to us. Okay, thank you. I don't know why.